Hello, knife people. It's a theory talk, so can be a bit difficult to understand. Please pardon me. I don't like a fixed alignment pivot sharpening system like this. Stone moves sustained by the pivot like this. This back folding knife is sharpened with water stones by hand. So the edge bevel height is even every position. I raised up the handle, sharpening the belly portion, and hand down, sharpening the straight line position, like this. But fixed alignment pivot sharpening system always at the same angle sharpens the edge. So the reach is longer from the pivot to this belly portion, to this tip portion. The height from the blade to the pivot is the same. So the sharpening angle is shallower at the tip portion. So this portion edge is prone to getting wider, and the edge angle is prone to getting shallower, smaller. I don't like it. That is a point where I don't like the fixed alignment pivot sharpening system. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.